Finally, I'm back to this, hopefully. I'm still terrified I'm going to ruin it, but we'll see. I got to try and part off the lid. I've never used a parting tool before. I have no idea if I'm doing this right or not. I know it smells like it's burning. Because it is burning. I'm going to play it safe and use my saw to take that off the rest of the way. It did burn. I was right about that. Maybe I didn't make the gap big enough. I'm not really sure. This probably later. Right now I'm just trying to see how close I fit. Do the ridge here. So it might need to be a little bigger, but I gotta get this middle down more before I can tell. It should be good. Close enough for my house. Good cut most of the time, and then I get to the tear out section. It always tears out right there, and I don't know why. I will have to ask some of my more knowledgeable friends how to not have that happen. Needs to be a smidge bigger. Almost. Now it's a smidge big, but I'm okay with that. It's my first lid, and I really want that to be a little thinner on top, but not much. I think I'm making it worse and worse. Yeah, that tear out's getting worse. Alright, try one more pass with this, and then I'll just go to good old 60 grit. Better than it was. I don't know if this is just because of the kind of wood it is, or if it's because, yeah, horrible tool marks, or if it's because it's partially wet, or what. I don't know why I'm getting this. I get awesome ribbons off my wide scraper. I get nice little ones off my bull gouge, but then I end up with these horrible tear out. Because I used it on the outside, I will continue to use it on the inside for the whole piece. I forgot to turn my camera on, but all I've done is switched back from the lovely cold jaws that Miss Kim Tippin sent me, and switched back to my regular Nova Chuck, and I used my parting tool to start this groove, honestly just to make it easier for me to try and hollow this. I've not hollowed anything out in quite a while. So we're going to try and do it with a bowl gouge, which I've never done before. Yeah! I need to make that a little wider there, at least for my comfort. I may do part of the hollowing with the carbides too, because I also need practice with them. I don't quite get how people do that where they take the middle down again. Oh, I don't like that. Coming into a knot or something. Yep, I did come into a knot. That's why I started having so much trouble there. I thought that might be the case. Which is weird because I can't see it on the outside. I'm going to play with the carbides for a few minutes just because I can. Really hard to get past the habit of tipping my tool up this way. Well, it does chew through it fast. I'm about to hit my chuck, or hit my chuck. That's as deep as I'm going. It does chew through it quick, doesn't it? Time for a new battery and some sandpaper. Before I forget, because this does sit out here for a couple weeks, yay life, some flaws in the outside lifted with the freezing and thawing and freezing and thawing that's going on here right now. So I am going to re-sand this outside also, just to try and get rid of it. It almost looks like tear out. It might be tear out that lifted later, I'm not sure, but I am going to re-sand the outside just to try and get rid of more of it. And it's gone. Every single time I do that. 320. I'm only going to use this on the outside though. It was in there. Okay, I lied. I'm using it on the inside too. There's still some tear out in here. I am not stressing over it. This is a very lovely colored piece of wood. It's got some awesome flame, awesome coloring. It does have some knots and cracks, so it's already kind of rustic looking. I'm okay with the inside being rustic also. If this was a flawless piece of wood, I would probably be more taking time, but this is going to be gorgeous either way. Now the polishing paste, because again, I'm continuing to use the same products throughout my piece. I can mix and match them if I want, doesn't matter. But I started with these, I might as well finish it with these. Darn it! I really need to hold on to my papers better. Now I need to try and finish up putting this together. Okay, after much fussing about, I had to add a different screw. All that's left is to put my sticker in the bottom and take some stills. Here is the finished box. It's even got, I don't know if it shows on camera, this streak is blue. I don't know how that happens. I've never seen blue in it before. The lid is not flawless. It has a teeny bit of jiggle to it. But it sits. Put it on the table, put stuff in it, cover it up. Now it's wiggling more. There we go. But there's my box. Thank you again, Mert from Kennett B Turned, for the lovely piece of wood, and Kim For the coal jaws, I needed to do the lid and this nifty little handle. Thank you, both, again and again.